Hey, I'm AD Dolphin, the CEO of Dherbs.com. And here at Dherbs, we get tons and tons of health-related questions. But this week, we're gonna go over insomnia. Our first question comes from Brandon X781. What is insomnia and why can our brain shut off when we're excessively tired? This is a fact. Insomnia isn't a specific disorder. It's actually a case where your brain makes a chemical that allows you to go to sleep. But when you're going through insomnia, that chemical, for whatever reason, isn't being produced. Look, sometimes insomnia, for whatever reason, just shows up on its own. But it can also be a symptom of a lot of other things. We're talking about things like PTSD, sleep apnea, heart disease, even some of the medications you take today could be keeping you up. And last but not least, we already know some of us has very, very stressful jobs. I know what you're thinking. Why can't we just have a button that we can just turn off our brain? Unfortunately, the brain is a very complex thing, and there's so many processes that need to happen before you actually fall asleep. There's some great treatments out there for insomnia. Depending on the underlying cause, you will get some sleep eventually. Our next question comes from Scarabic. Do you get any of the benefits of sleep by just lying still in the bed with your eyes closed, as happens with insomnia? This is definitely fiction. First of all, the rest from lying down and the rest from sleeping are completely different. Rest is for when your muscles are tired. Sleep is for when your brain is tired. Resting your muscles is not going to help your brain recover from that long day at work. Our final question comes from Alanis. Why can you be exhausted, falling asleep, standing up, but as soon as you lay down, you lose your sleepy? You are wide awake. This is a fact. Conditioned insomnia. That's basically the nights when you get into bed and for whatever reason, you toss and turn the whole night. But why did you have that bad night of sleeping to begin with? It's probably because of other factors. Bad sleep environment. One of the most common things that mess up your sleep environment, believe it or not, it's blue lights that comes from your phone or your computer screen. To fix those kinds of things with your sleep environment, you have to retrain your brain. Cognitive therapies can definitely help with that. But before we get to that, first of all, we need to turn off that computer screen. We need to turn off those phones before we go to sleep. That's all for today. Thanks for watching Fact or Fiction. If you have any questions that you want answered, you can email us at factorfiction@dherbs.com or message us on social media. In the meantime, like, subscribe, and don't forget to stay healthy.